Just as soon as this 1931 Ford Model A 1-ton stake box. Good running old Model A. It does have an intake gasket and exhaust gasket that we have on order, so it will run and sound a lot better. As far as the body and stuff goes on it, paint's very presentable. Looks good at 10 foot. You get up close, I mean, you got a lot of paint imperfections in it. This has been owned by the previous owner and his family for like 12 to 15 years. If we look at the corner of the doors, very nice and solid all the way along the bottom edge. Floorboard, shifter, everything like that, it's all real decent. Seat's nice. It's got all the wood and stuff for the headliner area. Like I said, good solid doors, good front cab, back cab corners all look good. The back side of the cab looks nice. It's got a crack in the metal here on the running board. We do have pictures of the undercarriage, very solid old truck. The wood and the stake bed and stuff, it's usable as is, but it's starting to get kind of weak too. There again, the steel fenders are in excellent shape. Running board's in nice shape. It's got one little crack in the metal in the same exact spot on the other as the other side does. Other than that, it's nice and solid. Cab corner's perfect here. Corner of the door is in great shape again. Driver's side glass is good, passenger side is broken. Windshield's good on it. Great looking old truck.